Hey everybody, Duffy here with Hula Cow Studios. Now, why am I about to make a video, an entire video, about a little plastic capsule saddle? Well, for one, I have untreated ADHD. But secondly, there are a few more things going on with this than you would think at first blush. First of all, yeah, these are 3D printed, and it's cute. We made them shaped like hibiscuses, hula cow theme. um, but really, anyone can print a capsule saddle with a 3D printer. But the trick is how you do it. This one, for example, you could print it upright, like this, right? And you could probably even do that without support. The curvature of it means that it would kind of build upon itself and come out, and you could actually get this thing to print without support. But that would be a bad idea, and here's why. It would make the layers vertical, and with the weight of a capsule on this, if you happen to drop the mic or it was bounced during shipping or something like that, that could tend to snap or break. Same with the capsule saddles that don't have the post on the bottom of them. You can print them either direction, and for those it really doesn't matter much. But if you print it laying flat, where the filament comes out like this and makes lines, it tends to be stronger in this direction and can hold it better. Secondly, and I don't know if you can see it because the camera's on autofocus and I don't trust it, we have slots instead of holes for the screws. And the reason we're doing that is because these can accommodate the capsules that have the holes positioned either at 90 degrees or the ones that have them positioned at, what is a third of 360, 120 degrees? Yeah. There's a range for differently positioned screw holes on the capsules. It's great. Also, there's 2 sets so that you can get single or dual capsules on it. But really, it's a very simple thing, and you can print it yourself. But if you do choose to print these, be sure you print them laying down like this. Yes, it will use a lot more support material. You might not have to use any if you print them like this, but the trade-off is if you print them oriented this way, with the little Hula Cow Studios logo pointed upward, you're going to get a lot better result because it will be a lot stronger, a lot more stable, and you're not going to accidentally break it, or it's not going to accidentally break if you drop the mic. Another nice thing about these is they are a little bit oddly shaped on the bottom, but they are usually PLA plastic or some other kind of plastic if you're printing one. So if it doesn't quite fit up into the head basket, just touch it with a soldering iron. It'll melt it right on down into shape. But that said, yeah, if you want one of these, STL files in the description. Take care, everybody. We're just going to stay in this room until I remember why I actually came in here.